Hi everyone, I'm Cesare with Florette. Today I'm going to show you how to use each of Florette's transition pieces to complete your flooring installation. We offer a full range of transition pieces to match the color of your flooring. That includes T-molding, end caps, reducers, quarter rounds, and stair nosing. Let's talk about what each of these transition pieces is used for and how to choose the best one for your installation. Let's start with the T-molding. You'll use the transition between two floors that are the same height. For example, if you want to change the direction of your installation between two rooms, you'll need a T-molding. Or, if you're transitioning from your floorette to carpet, as long as they're the same height, you can use a T-molding. Next is the end cap. We recommend installing the end cap if you plan to run your floor up against a fireplace hearth or a sliding door and you can't hide the expansion gap with a baseboard or quarter round. You can also use an end cap if your floor is running up against a carpet as long as it works with both floor heights. The reducer can be used to transition between any two floors that differ within a quarter inch in height. The reducer is also commonly used to transition between our flooring and tiles. Finally, the quarter round is a parameter piece that can be used to cover the expansion gap. If you're not removing your baseboards before your installation, you're going to need to leave the recommended quarter-inch expansion gap between your baseboards and your planks. Then, cover that expansion gap with a quarter round. The quarter round is also commonly used when running the flooring up against a cabinet or island, where a baseboard isn't usually used. Keep in mind that the quarter rounds sold on our site match the color of our floors. If you prefer to use a plain white quarter round, you can find one at your local hardware store. This information should help you decide which transition piece you need to complete your installation. For more help with your installation, check out the videos listed in the description. You can also reach out to us directly at support@florette.com if you have any more questions. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your alerts for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.